opening day Guardians of the Galaxy, the line to get into Creations where they're selling all the merch is nuts. They are $36.99 for the day of shirts. These are all different colored prices, so I can't tell you what the prices are. Yeah. $12.99. Look how happy Groot looks. That's awesome. $12.99. I think it's like a little. It moves and it does all sorts of stuff. Oh yeah. $39.99. Star Blaster. Oh look, it's got all the ships on there. And you can get either the Milano or the Star Blaster. These are $14.99. $49.99. For Loki's giant ears. That is full size, guys. $29.99 for Loki's chalice. I don't even know how to rate that on the Dad and Drew scale. It's a hand. $39.99. You can get all of the Infinity Stones as a pin. $36.99. For the Nova Corps Bad Guy File shirt. That's cool. $34.99. That's a really nice hat. $49.99 for like a little very tiny backpack. $29.99 for this little tiny kid shirt. $29.99 for that hat, or a fanny pack for $29.99. $19.99. It's a heat-activated cup, and it shows Epcot when you put liquid in it. That's cool. $19.99 on the Dad and Drew scale, like a 2.5. Oh, you can buy this sign for $150. I don't know what you do with it, but okay. $14.99 for a plastic water bottle. $69.99 for an honorary Guardians shirt, zip-up jacket thing. Oh my gosh. It's Zandu's fin and arrow. There's no price on this, but that is awesome. $14.99. That's awesome. It's a plastic cup, but it's pretty cool. $9.99. That's hilarious. And then there's Rocket also for $9.99. $22.99 for the most unique mug I've ever seen in my life. The Peter Quill jacket is $99.99. $29.99 also. Super cool hat. $27.99. I am in love with this water bottle. I don't know, it's just so cool looking. Only $50 for the Peter Quill face mask, and you can wear it. $39.99 for a little I Am Groot wallet. $24.99 for the little Groot planter like the ones we got. That's super cool. $29.99 for Stages of Groot. $19.99 for the Groot magnet set. I like that. I Am Groot. And then you have a dancing Groot
Sorry, no.
I don't know his price. And that Gamora vest is awesome for $59.99 for little kids. I love it. I am Groot, $22.99. Comes with a little Groot. That is the Guardians of the Galaxy pass holder special day one shirt. And these are $36.99. This is the special limited edition day of opening pin. Only 1,000 of these. And the other two pass holder pins are $15.99 each. And they open, hold on. And then there are them open. And then this is the special magic band for today. And now for the cool stuff. You can get either Infinity Gauntlet for 99 bucks, and it comes with all the Infinity Stones. They're keeping those behind the counter. All right, and watch this, watch this, watch this. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That's so cool.
Not the Soul Stone, or you can get the Gauntlet, which gives you the Gauntlet and the 6 stars. Hi guys, how are you?
So she was explaining you can buy the relics individually, and they come with their specific Infinity Stone. You can buy a briefcase that has 5, but not the Soul Stone. Or you can buy Loki's Scepter. But the only way to get all of the stones in one shot is to buy a gauntlet. So this is the briefcase. It is not full size. They should have made it full size. I mean, everything else seems to be full size. The briefcase is $40. And that comes with 5 stones. Oh, that's awesome. How much trouble do I want to get in with the wife is my question today. Yeah, that would, if that worked, I would be very happy. I'm gonna try it, yeah. $34.99. Oh, that's cool. It's got the Galaxy Tour on the back. It's like a tour shirt. I like that. So there's a good look at the Ether and the Power Stone. These are awesome pens. And then there's a phone case. The phone cases are $35. And the pens are $20. And then we got some awesome keychains for 10 to 15 bucks. That opens, oh. Okay, so we got this one, and then supposedly this one opens and does something.
I'm trying to laugh.
I can't see how that opens. Oh, what is this thing? That's cool, like a communicator. And then you got the chip. Oh, these are awesome. There's just so much stuff in here, and we got called for our Guardians ride time, so I don't have enough time to go over it. I'm gonna have to come back another day. But, Dad's getting in a lot of trouble. We are on our way to the ride. I have friends. Queen V's here again. The boys from Drew in the Moment. I have no hat because I don't want to lose it on the ride. I know this is weird for you. It's weird for me too. But we are heading over there. Our boarding group got called. All right, guys, it's Wonders of Xandar. It's the Galaxarium. Oh, we are moving. Oh, we got a whole crew with us. We got Chasing Mike now too. And somehow we got Zach in, Z-Free.
Our spaceports are constantly evolving. Our vast agricultural farms are a true wonder. Try solar cells and sails on surface.
We are also enormously proud that our oceans are home to thousands of species.
I mean, stop. Oh, I was told he hates that. Yeah, he does. He really hates it. Teaching guardians and then teaming up with their ravages. They normally only work for steroids. Can't believe what else works. In the end, though, when you see the road,
stuff, they build them up.
well, here's this one up well. And here he is.
You made it! Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Cheerio, Monarch. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians.
Okay, headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work. Rocket! Well? Okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed. What is that noise?
Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing. What have we done?
I think we jumped back. All the way back.
All the way? To the Big Bang?
95% certain.
Which means there's a 5% chance we're just in a tunnel. A tunnel? In space?
We've seen weirder things, Will. I am Groot. Yes, like that. I am Groot. And that.
It's the only way back.
We got the generator! We're rich!
You have no idea how
Oh yeah? We'll see about that!
Rocket, get us back.
This thing is more complicated than I thought!
I will destroy you.
Yeah, who did that all the time? Rocket, anytime! Okay! Let me try!
I hate them.
Well, we're here! It's about time!
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Nova Team, blink your star blasters. We have them contained, but not for long. I will have been perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect! Look at Will!
We're back. Looking for this echo.
It's F-hot! That's right, who names these things?
It's just as good every time. See my conga come and everybody every conga come.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Jax, it's an honorary title. They're not going to let this.
I see. This is my favorite. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Woo!
Where's that cake toast?
I love that ride every time, man. Zach, what did you think of it?
It's awesome. It's unbelievable.
It's amazing.
Yeah, I can't stop smiling.
He can't even see smiles. Look at Mike's over here. Mike, how was your first ride?
Oh man, unbelievable. Yeah, I was shocked, man. That's like a,
There's no ride like it.
there isn't. I was,
Tears coming out from the wind and everything. I'm like, yeah.
we actually thought of imagine if they did Space Mountain and redid it to kind of make it, try to compete with this.
They can't. This is too big. It's too awesome. This is amazing. I'm so glad we got to do this today on opening day. Now it's time for food. Connections food time. Southwest Burger, one of the only burgers I haven't tried yet. It's got corn and guacamole and It's actually pretty good. Of all the burgers I've had here, my favorite is the Mediterranean burger. That's the number one. That's the one you get. The awesome drink. It is a special drink over at Joffrey's. Minute Maid lime, pear juice, and chewy apple stars. Ooh, it's tart. Very tart. Good though. What a day. We are back at the Dad Cave, and yes, I have the Infinity Gauntlet. I have the stones. We have Loki's scepter. Stay tuned. Make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications on, because there will be a unboxing and stoning and assembly of these two items coming up really soon. But for now, Dad may have the Infinity Gauntlet. I don't think I can snap with it. I'll try. And Loki's scepter. But Dad doesn't do outros or say them correctly. So that's it. Bye.